Hello traders, welcome to my channel, how to trade Forex with a small account. In this series, I'm gonna show you how to trade Forex with a small account. Starting from 500, I already started from 500 USD. So let's go to MetaTrader, our MetaTrader platform. This is our MetaTrader platform. As you can see from here, I took my trade and I am in profit. So I think other trades, I think they will be in profit uh, when times goes on. So let's go to our MetaTrader platform. This is our MetaTrader platform. As you can see from here on our MetaTrader, I took two buys. When I started this series, I started with 200 USD amount. Uh, as you can see from here, the reason why I took these two trades, the last trade, is because I saw some buyer's pressure into the market. I saw a bullish engulfing candlestick, so I think the market will go up as the time is still there's a lot of time for the market to move. So here I'm gonna explain why I took these two trade. The reason why I took these two trade is because of the trend. I took these two trade because of the trend. The trend is an uptrend. It's an uptrend. You can't go against the trend without a sign of reversal. So I swear a sign that the market will continue its uptrend. It's a bullish engulfing in an uptrend. That is what motivates me to take a trade here. Another thing, market made a reversal point, so I think the market will touch this reversal point as it has been broken is now a support. I think market will continue its uptrend from here. That is what I think. The strategy can be 97% winning ratio. This is a day chart, NSA 100. NSA 100. So the pattern that a trader needs to know that are working into the market is a bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, candlestick, hammer. This is a pattern that I use that are working very well into the market. Morning star, evening star. When I say morning star, I talk about this pattern. This pattern, yeah. This pattern is a evening star. As you can see, there was a doji. After a doji, market went down. At least for a day, you can take a sell for a day. On after this doji, the black candle, you can take a sell. After because of the trend, the market cannot move it downward, cannot reverse immediately and go down. This is a pattern that I use that are working. Another a bearish engulfing candlestick that I know. Okay, let me add horizontal line. Another bearish engulfing that I know. This is bullish engulfing. This one here. This is one is this one here. This one here is a bearish engulfing. Is a bearish engulfing candlestick. This pattern don't work in a downward trend, upward trend, but they can work in a downward trend. This is what a trader need to know in order to make a good trade. The strategy cannot be 100%. That some people they can say 100% strategy. To tell the truth, there's no 100% strategy into the market. Those people are lying. You just have to find a strategy that is working at least 80%, 90%, and you also need a money management strategy. That is what you need, a trader need. You can't just take some trade. In this series, from part 1 I said you must take one trade. You can take 2 or 3 trade, even if you are not in profit. Here I was in profit, that's why I took 2 trade, because I swear that it was a bullish engulfing candlestick in an uptrend, which is an advantage. This is our part 5 of our series. If you didn't watch the last part of this series, I recommend you to watch them and subscribe and like, because they are part of this series. This moving average are 50. I start from 10, 50, 100, 200 and 500. These moving average are working very well. They can work as a support level. You need to configure them. To configure this moving average, you have to go to indicators. You have to go to indicators. These are the moving average N plus Bollinger Bands that I was using. You have to go to moving average. Okay. Moving average. Yeah, you have to enter 50. After 50 you have to enter, you start from 10, then after it will be 50. After 50 it will be 100. After 100 it will be 200, 300.